If you've been trading for any length of time, you already know the problem. You've got signals in one app, education in another, a journal buried in a spreadsheet, and a broker tab permanently open. None of it talks to each other. None of it actually builds you into a better trader. That's what Primeverse is trying to fix. And today I'm going to walk you through the entire platform because honestly, when I first landed on the site, I wasn't expecting it to be this comprehensive. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Now, the first thing that stands out when you hit the homepage is this grid of tools. Primeverse isn't just one thing, it's an ecosystem, and they've broken it down into 6 core pillars. Prime Academy, their structured education platform available in 9 languages, with live coaching 3 times a week. Live trading floor, where professional traders are streaming real money positions every single day. A signal desk, verified entries with stop and take profit pushed directly to your device. Siphon AI Zona, right? The AI powered market scanner reading institutional order flow across 40 plus pairs. Oracle, an automated trade journal that tracks, grades and analyzes every trade you take. And Traverse, which is their lifestyle and travel benefit, and we will get to that one because it's genuinely different. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to SignalPeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try SignalPeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's start with PrimeSync because this is probably the first thing most people are going to want to try. PrimeSync is their copy trading system. It mirrors signals from verified traders directly into your account with zero latency. Milliseconds. No manually entering the trade yourself, no watching a Telegram group and fumbling around in MT5 at 11 at night. And they're showing an 83.4% win rate across more than 170 verified trades, with over 8,000 active members across 40 countries using this daily. And you're not locked into one provider. You can follow multiple signal sources simultaneously and let PrimeSync diversify the risk automatically. You set your own lot size multiplier so you're always in control of how much you're putting on each trade. For anyone who wants markets exposure without being glued to a screen, this is the entry point. Next up is Oracle, and this one is for the traders who actually want to get better, not just copy someone else. Oracle is an automated trade journal. Every trade you take gets logged, graded and analyzed without you lifting a finger. It's pulling in your data and doing the work that most traders know they should be doing, but never do. What I like about this is that it goes beyond just showing you your win rate. It uses AI to tag psychological errors, things like revenge trading, over leveraging after a loss, cutting winners early. It quantifies your consistency with a discipline score, and you're getting full equity curve tracking, drawdown analysis, and multiple breakdowns that you can export. If you've ever done a proper trade review and realized you knew exactly what you were doing wrong, but couldn't find the data to prove it, Oracle fixes that problem. Now let's talk about Prime Academy because this is where Primeverse makes a real argument for being a full trading education platform. They've structured the curriculum into 5 levels. You start at system and application, just getting orientated with the platform itself. Then you move into, the foundation, the basic of Forex, pips, lot sizes, chart reading, risk management. Level 3 is structure. market structure, supply and demand, Fibonacci integration, multi-time frame analysis. Level 4 is where it gets serious. You've got liquidity concepts, fair value gaps, institutional order flow. There's a smart money concepts, and they're covering them in a structured way, not just a YouTube playlist with no sequence. And then level 5 is the live floor. It's 3 times a week, live market breakdowns with real-time trade execution, Q&As with mentors. The whole thing is available in 9 languages. That's not something you see often, and for a global platform this size, it matters. Now, the AI tools, right? Primeverse runs 2 of them, Siphon AI and Zona. Siphon AI is their institutional order flow scanner. It's identifying where the big money is positioning before price moves. Things like liquidity pools, order blocks, institutional accumulation zones. It's scanning across 40 plus pairs simultaneously. Zona works alongside it, helping you filter down to the highest probability setups rather than just looking at everything at once. For context, tools that do this kind of analysis typically cost serious money on their own. Having them built into the platform as part of the membership is a meaningful value add. Okay, so Traverse. This is the one that makes Primeverse genuinely different from any other trading platform I've looked at, and I want to give it a proper minute. Traverse is a members only travel and lifestyle benefit. We're talking 40 to 60% off business and first class flights. Etihad, Emirates, Qatar Airways, 30 to 60% off luxury resorts, 15 to 30% off 5-star hotels worldwide. Aren't public rates. These are corporate partner rates that aren't available to the general public. The idea is that as you grow as a trader, your lifestyle should reflect that, and Primeverse is building the infrastructure to make that accessible from the moment you join. It's a genuinely smart differentiator, and for anyone who's serious about trading as a path to financial freedom, not just a hobby, this speaks directly to that. The last section I want to show you is what they call the edge beyond the charts. And this is where Primeverse leans into something most trading platforms completely ignore. They're offering fitness programming through PrimeFit, mindset coaching, building discipline and mental resilience, financial planning, how to actually compound and protect what you make, and social media training for personal branding and monetization. Trading is 80% psychology. Primeverse is building a platform that acknowledges that and is trying to build the operator, not just teach the system. So that's Primeverse. One platform covering copy trading, AI market scanning, automated journaling, structured education, live trading sessions, luxury travel benefits, and holistic development. It's a lot, and it's all under one roof. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. They've got a get started page that walks you through the onboarding, and you can see the membership options directly on the site. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.